Today, we will talk about the 1979 energy crisis. The 1979 energy crisis was a period of widespread panic about potential gasoline shortages and increased prices for crude oil and refined products. It occurred after the Iranian Revolution, resulting in a significant decline in global crude oil supply and notable shortages, leading to panic buying and long lines at gas stations. The Iranian Revolution in early 1979 was a major reason for the 1979 energy crisis. It caused turmoil in Iran, a major petroleum exporter, and led to a significant decline in the global supply of crude oil. This caused oil prices to almost double in just 12 months and resulted in short-run disruptions in the supply of gasoline and diesel fuel. Several states responded by rationing gasoline, and there were fears of shortages in heating oil through the winter, especially in New England states. The crisis cannot be blamed solely on the fall of the Shah. U.S. fiscal policy decisions also contributed to the crisis, as oil prices were regulated by the government, and other factors such as monetary policy and inflation further worsened the situation. The U.S. government regulated oil prices in early 1979 and ordered refiners to restrict gasoline supply to build inventories, leading to higher prices at the pump. The Department of Energy's decision to make large U.S. refiners sell crude to smaller refiners also delayed gasoline supply. Monetary policy leading up to the crisis played a role by contributing to rising inflation late in the decade. The crisis led to the development of smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles, as politicians actively encouraged consumers to conserve energy. Utility companies also sought out alternatives to crude oil generators, and governments spent billions on the research and development of other fuel sources. These efforts resulted in a decline in daily worldwide oil consumption and a sharp fall in OPEC's market share. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. The 1979 energy crisis was one of 2 oil price shocks during the 1970s, the other was in 1973. 2. Higher prices and concerns about supplies led to panic buying in the gasoline market. 3. Crude oil prices nearly doubled to almost $40 per barrel in 12 months. 4. The energy crisis of 1979 led to the development of smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles. 5. OPEC's market share fell sharply and utility companies moved toward alternative energy sources. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.